As you guys all know, we are very excited about the 2024 Lexus GX, but how is the manufacturing quality? Well, let's go and check it out. So let's take a look at the gap here now. A clever design like they've done with Land Rover models. The hood actually goes over the front fender, so the gap is actually not easy to measure. But if I were to measure, it's about 3.5 millimeter. Once again, it kind of goes over, so not a real gap, but it's flat. It's right up there in terms of quality. And between the front fender and the front door, it's 3.1 millimeter. Between the front door and the rear door is a little wider at 3.5 millimeter. And then the rear door to rear fender is also 3.5. So it's a bit wider than I expected. This is built in Tahara factory in Japan, which is where many of the Lexus are built. TNGA platform, beautiful vehicle. If I had a choice between buying this and Land Cruiser, it's a bit of a toss-up, but my heart goes to GX just because I own a 2023 GX, as you guys know. And if I have the heart to let it go, the beautiful V8 engine, then I would definitely buy this GX, hopefully early next year. But in terms of paint job, just a beautiful paint job, this pearl white. This is the Lexus white paint, and it's got lots of pearl actually. It's got lots of metallic built in, and if you don't know manufacturing, you might not realize this, but to disperse this metallic all that way through in a consistent fashion, not easy to do. So the more metallic you have, the harder it is to have a consistent paint. But obviously the Tahara build, this is beautifully done. We got people inside, but just a quick look inside in terms of quality as well. Very simple design, nothing super fancy, but I like the big steps over here, and you got a bit of a textured door panels. This is semi-soft, I guess. This is a bit of a hard plastic, but looking inside, you got a good plastic molding. Again, this is a prototype, not a production model yet. You got a bit of a grab handle here, and then this one doesn't open, it's locked. Big 14-inch display. And you know what? It doesn't look like kind of a super premium design, but it's a very simple, functional design. And this is what I think Lexus is trying to do with some of their new models lately. They're trying to make it less kind of fancy, but instead have a bit of a German look. A lot of German cars have this kind of design, simple, functional, business-like. But the quality is first rate. As you can tell, the door closes with a nice thump. Let's try the back door. Same thing. And if you look at the back of the GX, it's a little busy here, but right now the third seat is up. You get very little space though for cargo, so obviously not ideal if you have to carry a passenger in the back, but at the same time also put luggage. But this is electronics. Let me see if I can fold down. No, it's not working, I guess. No, not. Oh, there you go.
There it goes.
So this is electric seat, recline on back, and if you do it, it should be flat. I think it's a flat seat. It goes a little slower than I thought, but it's a flat design. Once it goes all the way to the bottom, and I think you get a small storage here, not much, a little bit of storage, but pretty well flat. And this is pretty big. I can't really say it's better than what we have right now. I think it is definitely a little bit bigger. But I really like the fact that this GX is essentially an improved version or upgraded version of the Land Cruiser. It's the same platform, same frame. Even the body itself is literally the same. But we get 3.4 liter twin turbo V6 on this one versus the 2.4 turbo hybrid on the Land Cruiser. And I think that's an important change. I think it's a differentiation that Lexus wanted to have, and I much prefer the V6 because I had a similar engine on the Tundra that I used to own. So I really like the GX. I hope this is the one I'm going to end up buying. Let me know what you think of the quality and the manufacturing level of the GX. And let me know if you think I should actually trade in my 2023 V8 powered GX for the 2024. Until next video, I'm signing off for now. Thank you so much.